The importance of vibrating concrete. All concrete must be vibrated during placement to ensure proper consolidation and strength. Concrete, when placed in a form, will not flow into a continuous solution and fill all voids and hollows on its own. Wet concrete may have as much as 20% of its volume made up of trapped air that can leave large air pockets without vibration. If the concrete is allowed to harden on its own, it will develop bug holes, or a honeycomb structure, and will not bond to the reinforcement bars, resulting in a significant decrease in its durability. Because of these circumstances, it is critical that the concrete be vibrated with a Wyco vibrator, removing any air pockets and filling all voids. When using a Wyco concrete vibrator, it is important that it be used correctly to avoid creating more serious problems. Do not drag the vibrator head through the concrete. The proper method is to insert the vibrator head by allowing the weight of the head to penetrate the wet concrete on its own, and then withdrawing it slowly. Dragging the vibrator head through the concrete will form mortar channels, which are areas where there is no stone in the mix. This will weaken the strength of the finished concrete in that area dramatically. Using the wrong size vibrator head for a specific job is also a common mistake. As a general rule, the radius of vibration is 4 times the width of the head. A 1-inch head will produce a radius of vibration of 4 inches all the way around the head, effectively creating an 8-inch area of vibration. Removing the vibrator head too quickly can cause strength damage to the concrete. The vibrator should be lifted out vertically at a rate of about 3 seconds per foot of thickness of the concrete. As an example, a concrete slab that is 6 inches thick should have the vibrating head removed over a period of 1.5 seconds. This allows adequate time for the mixture to liquefy and the entrapped air to escape to the surface. Once the head reaches the surface, be sure to remove it quickly from the mix to avoid churning of the concrete at the surface, allowing air to re-enter and create bug holes. Leaving the vibrator head in the mix too long can also cause defects. The vibrator should be left in its inserted position for at least 5 seconds, but no more than 15 seconds. If you follow these simple guidelines, the concrete will be free of air pockets and structurally sound. Proper concrete consolidation with a Wyco square head vibrator will reduce reworks and surface patching, leaving you with structurally sound concrete and a properly finished surface.